doing, man?
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I am good.
So this is a truck.
Yeah.
They don't start. The battery is
Dead. Okay.
dead.
You don't have any keys, right?
No,
No keys. Do you want a key with the remote or just the key?
with the remote.
With the remote, you got it.
Yeah.
It's 2011?
Yeah.
Okay, give me maybe...
I saw you on TikTok.
Oh, you did?
I don't know if you're the guy.
I'm the guy, yep.
yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have a jump box, no worries.
Oh, yeah? Okay.
Yeah, it's okay. I'll take care of it. Give me about 20-30 minutes, okay? Are you okay with being on TikTok?
Yeah.
All right, cool. I'm recording.
I'll think about it. I was just.
No worries, no pressure. Alright, so we're working with a 2011 Ford F-150. I just picked and decoded the lock. Now I'm gonna cut a key. Hopefully it works on the ignition, no issues, and programming. And that's it. Alright, let's test it out. Okay, works on the ignition, no battery. Alright, now only programming, that's it. Alright, programming will take about 10 minutes. Okay. So 10 minutes we should be good. Alright, 10 more seconds. Remote works and key programmed, but my jump box is not strong enough to start this truck. Yeah. Okay, listo.
Right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, if you have any trouble, my number is there on the kitchen.
Cool, man.
Okay, have a good one.